Chandler with Above and Beyond here. We're right off Highway 50. Let's take a quick tour through our facilities.
Come on in. I'm Tony McCormack. I'm the owner of Above and Beyond Complete Grounds Maintenance here in Omaha. I started my business in 1999. I was 19 years old. It was just me, a truck and a trailer, and a couple mowers. 50 employees, a 30,000 square foot shop with an indoor showroom. We have 20 trucks and trailers. We have meetings every week to discuss what our weekly plans are going to be. All I do is quality control after 28 years, and quality control is good.
We go above and beyond on all of our properties, whether it's landscaping, snow removal, sprinklers, lawn care, fertilization, pools. We have a formula and a method to our madness of getting stuff done and doing things the right way. Yeah, there's always open lines of communication, so all of our customers typically we deal with on all spectrums of our industry, so they know if they can't get a hold of Tony or Chandler or Tom, they call me or Chad. Somebody's always going to answer their phone no matter what.
These guys are far and away the best contractor I've ever worked with. Ever. It was probably the smoothest process I've ever been through. They do what they say they're going to do. And stay in constant communication.
Well, we started with a pool. We like the fact that he listened to us very well and offered terrific ideas and was able to show us visually on his iPad or laptop what it might look like. There's no negative surprises. It turned out just perfect.
The crew showed up the exact same time every morning and got right to work. We were always in the know.
It's not like we just come in and do the pool. We revamp your sprinkler system for you. We make sure the grade is right. We make sure that all gutters are buried and out of the way so that you don't have any water issues with your pool. We show you everything we're going to do, and we try to make sure that we live up to everything that we told you we were going to do. Our ideal customer is, a customer who wants a company who will take care of everything for you, a customer that wants a guy or company to come in and just be able to handle everything and make it as easy a process as it can be. Tony McCormack with Above and Beyond here in Omaha, Nebraska, serving the Lincoln, Omaha, and Council Bluffs area. Would love to earn your business and look forward to working with you.